Doing well. Welcome back to my channel Code Fusion Hub. So today I am here with another new video of solving our database problems using MySQL over on LeetCode. So if you are a new user, I recommend you all to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any update from my upcoming playlist, and make sure you haven't missed any of the previous videos. If you have missed any, I'll provide you the link in the description box. Make sure you check it out from there. And let's start with our today's video. So our question for today's video is going to be 178. So we are going to solve this problem number today. So let's just have a look at what does the question says. It is of difficulty level medium, and I think so one or two more problems are of medium level, and then rest of them are of hard level questions. Okay. So yes, let's start with our today's question, that is rank scores. Okay, so what do we have over here in the question? First of all, let's have a look. We have a table which is named as scores, and it has specific columns, that is ID and score, which is of int and decimal data type. ID is nothing but the primary key for this table, and each row over here contains some score of a game. So score is nothing but this floating point value only with just two decimal places that is mentioned over here. Now what we have to do is we have to find a solution to find the ranks of the scores. Now this ranking should be calculated according to some rules that has been given over here. So the scores should be ranked from the highest to the lowest. If there is any tie between any two scores, they should have same ranking. And after a tie, the next ranking number should be the next consecutive integer value. Okay. In another words, it is said that there should be no holes between any ranks. And we have to return the result table order in as per score in descending order. So we just have a look at the input and the output. So we have a ID, particular IDs are present, and we have some scores of this. Okay, now here as we can see, some of the scores are same, that is 4 and 4 of ID 3 and 5. Now they are saying that we have to take all the scores over here and we just have to rank them accordingly. Okay, in and descending order. So the highest score is placed at first. So now 4 is a tie between ID number 3 and ID number 5. So both are ranked as first. Now next ID would be consecutive number of the integer value that is present. That is nothing but a rank 2. Then talking about rank 3, that is 3.65. Okay, so the IDs are 2 and 6, which are having the same scores again. So they both would be having the same rank again, and the next one would have a consecutive rank against it. So we have to just achieve this. So first of all, just read the question and try to just think upon the approach that you think is properly appropriate for this question. So comment down your answers below. Just pause the video and comment the answers you think that is the proper approach for this. Okay. So yes, let's start with the query solution. Here we are going to use today CTE. Okay, previously also in one of the videos I have covered this. I think so. That CTE is nothing but the common table expressions. Now, what do you mean by CTE? Okay, it is just a feature of SQL that allows you to define some temporary result sets which can be referenced with insert, delete, update, anything. Okay, so these are often used when you have to simplify some complex queries, improve some readability, and break down complicated operations into more manageable parts. So they can be thought as a way to create temporary tables that exist only during the execution of a single query. Okay, they are not permanently placed over here. So let's just have a look at the solution. I hope so you would understood this much better after then. So let's just have a look and we'll start with this. Okay, this is the process of creating our CTE. Okay, so we are naming our CTE as nothing but this ranked scores. Okay, over here, and we are just going to write what should be done over here. So we are going to do is we are going to select what we have to select is first of all we have the score over here, correct? So we'll just go and write the score over here and select this column. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to get this rank over here. Okay, we have to rank this scores accordingly. Now, so for ranking in SQL, what we'll be using is the dense rank. Okay, now what is this dense rank used for? So this dense rank is used for whenever you want to rank some rows, okay, with no gaps in between, and you want consecutively the ranking to be done, and also if two or more or something like this condition occurs where the values are same, then they are given as same rank also. Okay, so this is nothing but the dense rank function which we are using for ranking the values over here. So the syntax for this is sorry, I just missed this. Okay, so the syntax for this is this, and we have to mention over. Okay, here we would be putting the value that we want it the score to be in and descending order. Okay, so we would just be mentioning that our score should be as descending order, and we would be naming the table as also the rank. Okay, score rank. Okay, over here we are just mentioning this, and yes, this is it for this, and we just have to write that from which table we have got this. So from scores. Okay, so this is our CT. Now we are going to the main query over here. So this was the CT that we have created, and now we'll be writing the main query over here. So we will just select the score, and we'll be getting the score rank from the above CT, and we'll be naming it in the column as rank over here as mentioned. So we'll just get this from the table ranked scores. Okay, so we are achieving this result from nothing but our CTE now. Okay, the score rank is also getting calculated from our CTE that is present. Okay, and we'll just write this order by score and to a descending order. Okay, so now what is this used for? This first of all, we have selected the score and the score rank. Okay, according to the columns. Then this dense rank will assign each and every score without gaps in the ranking sequence where there are ties also. Now here next is the order by score, which is used for arranging them into the descending order. So this assigns a rank to each score based on its value, with the highest score receiving the rank 1. Okay, so now this is being performed. I think so this should work now. We'll just run our query and check whether what are we getting. Okay, we are getting some error near what from ranked scores. I think so this is giving an error because rank is a reserved keyword of SQL, so we'll just put in the this colons over here. I think so this should work. Yes, okay, this was the mistake. Actually, it could give syntax errors sometime when you are using keywords in SQL queries. So make sure you just write in this apostrophe over here so that you don't get any mistakes. So yeah, this was it. Now we'll just submit our query so that all the hidden test cases are also evaluated, and yes, our test cases also have been accepted here, and our code has been submitted properly. I hope so you have understood today's video. In case if you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section below. I'll help you to reach out there. And make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Share it with all your friends and colleagues. If you like the video, just hit the like button, and make sure you have subscribed so that you never miss any update from my upcoming playlist. I'll see you guys soon with another new video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.